Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm diving into some mind-blowing research about olive oil that's going to change the way you think about your diet. The Exam Room podcast, hosted by Chuck Carroll, recently featured Dr. Monica Aggarwal, who led a study comparing the Mediterranean diet and a whole food plant-based diet with and without olive oil. And let me tell you, the results are not what you'd expect. So when it comes to heart health, we've always heard that olive oil is the way to go, right? Well, this study found that participants on a plant-based diet with less olive oil actually saw a 25-point drop in their LDL cholesterol, compared to only a 15-point drop in the group consuming more olive oil. The low olive oil group also ate more fiber-rich foods, like avocados, nuts, and seeds, which seemed to contribute to these better outcomes. They even had cooking classes to help participants stick to their diets. It just goes to show that whole, unprocessed foods might be more beneficial than relying on olive oil alone. Pretty crazy, right?